Johnny Coxville!
Oh hi, welcome back to River Fishing Fun. As you can see, our river rafted a little bit of an accident.
The beast. Jerry, where is Mr. the other guy?
Oh. Well, we're back in the river raft and it's back in action again. And it's too shallow here for any of the fish to be here. So if you're wondering why I'm going backwards on the river raft up the stream, this is why. Okay, so today we got this nice, I'd say about 5-pound river pike.
Wow, only that big?
Oh no, this is pretty good for the river here. On the
Oh.
Right.
So you're gonna be eating good tonight?
Oh no, we're gonna let this one go.
How come?
Let me get a picture. I didn't get a good one.
Yeah, there we go. Nice one.
Oh, that's a big fella. It's definitely not small.
You taking pictures of it?
Yep, we did. Let it free, Jordan. Woo, swim.
This is the catch of the day here. As you can see, it's a good one-incher.
Jerry!
I got a little one. Just a little one today.
Hey Jerry, what'd you catch again?
I caught some weed. I caught a frog.
Let's see it. Ooh.
So after a long day of fishing, we decided to cross the bridge back to home, and let's hope no trains get us.